So today is Father's Day, and I'm gonna be doing some bird watching with my daughter at the lake. I like that one. Love ours too, though. Oh, wow. I think we were close enough. I think that is definitely a bald eagle. I mean, what is that trailing on it?
It's a tree branch.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think that might be a cormorant or a duck. I'm saying a duck. Two of them flying.
Oh.
Oh, nope, don't lose focus, phone. There we go. Bye, heron. All right. Is that an osprey? What is that? Oh, don't lose focus now. What is that, guys? What's up, guys? That's a mallard right there. It could be a frog.
No, it sounded big and it sounded hard.
Maybe a bullfrog.
No.
How can you tell if something sounds like hard when it's flashing?
It could have been a turtle.
Or a bullfrog.
Okay.
Thank you for allowing us to get this close. What a beautiful bird. You don't have to fly away. We're leaving. Sorry. We were leaving. I didn't mean to come that close.